Hey guys, my hair went to bed last night with it wet, up in one of the little turby twists. This is what it comes out as. But I bought this, a Lange, I think I'm pronouncing it correctly, brush straightener. And this is not a sponsored video. And I'm going to get ready to do this. This is going to be part one. I want to do the unboxing. It comes just like this, comes in an outer box. And then comes in this little cube. I'm just now opening it up and untie it. And I'm going to try this on my curly hair. And then I'm on my part two. I'll come back and let you know. Oh, it's pretty. I ordered the blush. They have black or the blush color. So I ordered this really pretty blush pink color. Looks like it's going to be pretty easy on. Less temperature and more. I'm going to plug it in and try it on my hair, and I will be back as soon as I try it a little bit and see if I like it. I hope I do, because it shows on there. It doesn't have a noise to it. It just heats up. The bristles, this, and you can touch it, they say. So, let me just see exactly how it works on my hair. I will be back in part two. I hope you have a great day, and I'll try to put these up together, or if not, I will do one, and then you'll see the part two on the Lange straightening brush. I'll be back a little bit later.